guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm in this beautiful grassland. Now you have already seen this place in my very older videos. So this habitat is actually a hotspot, and this is the abundant Tata project land from Hooghly, and we are gonna do birding here. Let's see what we can find. The grasslands are my one of the most favorite habitat to do birding in. During the monsoon, the grasses becomes very big and they are lush green, making this habitat extremely beautiful. The first bird that we encountered in this spot was a group of silverbills feeding. And I was very happy to click a decent shot of the silverbills. The next wildlife that we encountered in this spot was not a bird, but it was a mammal instead. It was the Indian golden jackal. In the same spot, we found whole lot of tricolored munia, both on the grass and on the ground as well. The tricolored munia also gave us a very nice shot. We also got to see one of the most attractive munia of this place, which was the strawberry finch. Finally, I found a very special grassland bird in this place, which was the lesser cuckoo. After clicking the cuckoo, I shifted my spot and I moved towards a water body where I got to see whole lot of birds. The first bird that we encountered here was a very beautiful bird. It is the pheasant-tailed jacana in full breeding plumage. I also found a snipe hiding behind the bushes near the water body. A lone cotton pygmy goose was also swimming in that same water body. We don't get to see them very often these days. So at my back you can see this particular habitat is pretty unique. There's a lot of water hyacinth over there, and I just found a watercock over there. Sometimes we get to see bitterns as well, but don't know if we will find them today. After it felt my presence, the watercock started hiding itself. We also found one of the shyest bird, the black bittern, in the same spot. After clicking the black bittern, I moved towards the agricultural land in order to look for the button quails or the quails. Even though after reaching there I could not spot any quail, I found a watercock also in this place, and it gave me a lot of time to film itself. We were also able to click a baya weaver and a chestnut munia from a nearby spot. I also found another jackal in the same spot. I had little to no expectation to have a heartbreaking moment while birding here. I found the farmers cutting down the grasses where the munias were nesting, and also they were burning the old and dry grasses. which was really heartbreaking. If we fail to conserve these habitats, then we will lose many grassland species, which includes the bristled grassbird, a species that comes to this particular habitat every single year for breeding.